Siyempre, mula si my father to me, Chairman Ben Avalos. Thank you so grace and preservation. Ang aming a brother to me at tagabayan ng laro namin sa Wangwa. Si Kuya Robert. Kuya Robert, thank you for coming. At Kuya Raymond, of course, the DRDA is there. At ang ating classmate father. Pwede tayong magsabi ng katotohanan. Huwag na magmahat. Father Rocky Aquino. Is a good brother. Ang aking company mate, a best friend of mine, no other than soon to be Master General Jonathan Calista. And a friend of me, a good friend of mine, no less than the DRD of Calapason, everybody knows him, Colonel Mario Payagas. Basahin ko yung ating dalawang mayor, si Mayor June and Mayor RJ. Kayo ay naging mayor, congratulate you for that. Pati si Chairman Avalos, naging mayor ng Mandaluyong. Pero ayaw ko kayo na ako ay naging mayor din. Second term pa. Ang ating CRS na nito, na pinalakpakan kami ng malakas. Yung si Sebastian. Ay mga classmates ang galing sa Lion, they came here to join us with this momentous occasion. Si Ken Lambert Suerte, Cesar Malaybos, and yung bagong classmate namin na pabalik lang sa PNP. There was a struggle, he defended the truth, now he's out. His name is Nelson Freeman Bautista. Si Melonos, si Bong Masaya, si Jenny, at ang aking dalawang co-study partners. Binongan, Captain Binongan and Attorney Ramiro. Kilala niyo po yan. Members of the media, wala akong message. Well, the DRDA, I mentioned that again kanina, pero I will mention it again. The DRDA, soon to be Master General, days from now, General Glenn Lonogan. Wala akong message, puro pagpapasalamat ito. Sasabihin ko sa inyo. Members of the media, I will not mention your name by one by one, you are too many. Ma'am, thank you. Mga members of the regional staff, thank you for this preparation also. Lahat kayo in everything, there's a portion of everything. So lahat tayo na. It's because of us that we are here today. At ang Team Calabarzon, kung hindi members of Team Calabarzon, Team PNP, kung may nakaligtaan ako, mga kababayan kong Pilipino. At last na lang, ang aking may bahay na nandito ngayon, sabi ni Toc Alex, baka makalimutan mo ha. Hindi, nakaprepare na yun sa akin. The one who absorbed all the stress and burdens at home and outside, my wife, Christy De Vera. Dapat meron kayong 3G weapon at home that keeps you going. May mga bisita ng taga-Tayabas, engineer, At my two daughters nandiyan kanina. Ano pangalan nyo? Si Pen and Pia, stand up and recognize. Babatiin ko pa ba si Ma'am Edith Carbayan? Ano lang? Nandiyan na sa libro. Alam nyo, nangyari lahat ito because of one mind. No further introduction. The name is a certain Edith Santosa Carbayan. Yung mga hindi ko nabati ngayong gabi, kayo ang pinaka-importante ngayong gabi sa akin. Ang message ko ay very simple. I have always been a proponent of peace. But in the pursuit of it, sometimes it's bloody. Sometimes it's full of controversies. Truth is a thing that we have to defend it. We have to defend it with our life and honor. Kung hindi, wala nang maniniwala sa atin as law enforcers. Sabi nila, matapang ako. Hindi ako matapang. But I can only be brave when I have to be. Mayroong libro at may isinulat ko kanina na konti lang at basahin ko. The book, Beneath the Bands, is more than a story. It can be a legacy of courage and honor and unwavering service to our fellow men. It's not about me, it's about us. I'm just one of the representations of the unsung heroes of the police force na hindi naman nadepensahan ng state. And they kept on thriving. Every page is precious in that book. It carries wisdom of life, dedicated protecting our people, and upholding what is right and what is political. May it inspire us all, the book. The author, sabi ko, a certain Edith Carbayan, parang suspect. Burn candles for this memoir. Dami niyang inubos na oras dyan, ginubulan niya ng panahon talaga yan. For the next generation to see how we try to protect the innocent, the weak, and the law-abiding citizens just like us. Maraming salamat.